Hey, what's going on everyone? Destin here, back at it with another Switch review video. And this time we have the Keygeek and Sharkeys Pomkin linear switches. This is Keygeek's first full Palms linear switch, coming with that full classic thockier sound signature that we all know and love. Coming with 10 switches in a pack, with each pack consisting of $3.50, it's coming in at 35 cents a switch. Manufactured by Keygeek and designed by Sharkeys. Coming with a modified palm as a stem, the new mold palm top housing, a palm bottom housing, and a single stage spring KOS wire. Coming factory lubed, with an operating force of 58 grams and a bottom out force of 63.5 grams. Pre-travel is 2.0 millimeters, a total travel of 3.6 millimeters. Taking a closer look, they're a 5-pin PCB mount switch that scream Halloween. With an all palm switch, let's see how they sound. It may not be cherry level scratchy, but they have some scratch to them. Now as always, we'll pop open the switch and take a closer look at the materials used, using a cherry style switch opener as opposed to the kale. And alas, we finally have the switches open. Coming in first, we have the new molding with the palm top housing in a nice vibrant orange. They really stand out as a statement for these switches. Up next, we'll have our modified palm stem that does come factory lubed in a nice green color that completes the statement for the Pomkins. And up next, we'll have a single stage spring KOS wire. From my experiences, these springs have never let me down. To complete things, we have that nice vibrant orange and a palm bottom housing. And we can clearly see why these are called the Pomkins. Now taking a look at the Pomkins, looking into tolerances, these definitely pass the test. There is a slight horizontal wobble and a smidge of a vertical wobble, but nothing to complain about. Keygeek's new molds catering towards the smoothness as opposed to tightness and tolerance. In here we can take a look at what the wobble is like with the keycap on, and what you really gotta be using an excessive force to make this wobble. But for the everyday user like you and myself, it shouldn't be an issue at all. Using Keykobo's Machinist, let's take a listen. Definitely a thockier sound signature with a slight scratchy sound profile. We'll go ahead and compare them against the Cyans, the Unis, Purple Dawns, Y1s, and my new favorite, the Higanbanas. All linear switches coming from Keygeek. On the Neo Ergo, no foams, and a polypropylene plate. Now with the comparisons coming to an ending, let's toss a full set of these Pomkins in and see how they sound.